Welcome everybody. मैं हूं विद्या जामवाल. Apart from being an actor, I am a practitioner of Kalaripayattu, which is the ancient martial art in the world. मेरे जितने जमवालियंस हैं, जितने मेरे दोस्त हैं, वो मुझे बोलते हैं और पूछते हैं कि what kind of a training you do. So I have broken my training workouts into 6 different parts. Kalaripayattu is the only martial art where we start with massaging ourselves. In the morning we wake up, we get some oil और हम अपने पूरे शरीर में उसको लगाना शुरू करते हैं. बाकी मार्शल आर्ट्स में आपको किक्स और स्ट्रेचेस कराते हैं. डिफरेंस ये है कि आपकी बॉडी की जितनी भी क्षमताएं हैं उनको ऑन करने की ज़रूरत होती है, उनको शुरू करने की ज़रूरत होती है. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग और आफ्टरनून व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर समथिंग यू मसाज योरसेल्फ आउट. कई बार हम लोग ऑयल नहीं लगा सकते बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट. वी शुड व्हेन वी गो इनटू द शावर वी शुड एंजॉय हैविंग अ बाथ. आराम से हर शरीर के हिस्से को, हर शरीर की कोशिका को प्यार से छूते हुए साफ करना चाहिए. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स द एनर्जी फ्लो. In the last episode we have spoken about energies and how the virus has been affecting us. So first thing first, thank you the police, the army, the doctors, the nurses, the watchmen, the delivery boys, everybody who's been giving a lot of love to every other human being. So from all of us, all the Kalaripayattu exponents, God bless, thank you very much. We start with, today we are supposed to do kidney cleansing. Kalaripayattu में हम अपने शरीर के हर हिस्से को पॉलिश करते हैं, उसको सही करते हैं. So it is the internal organs like the chakras, we work on all of them. Let's start with first just energizing our body, telling our body that we are ready to work out. हम कोई भी चीज़ करते हैं अगर अपने आप को बोल के करें तो शरीर का हर हिस्सा एक साथ काम करता है. जस्ट मूव योर सेल्फ एनी हाउ. थोड़ी बहुत मूवमेंट करिए. शरीर के हर हिस्से को पता लगना चाहिए कि आप तैयार हैं अपनी इंटरनल एनर्जी को जागृत करने के लिए. People have been asking me on the net, how do you blow off those candles with just the energy? How do you break eggs without breaking the egg? How do you break the bricks? It's the internal energy you have to focus on, not so much strength from outside. So today we'll work only on the organ that is kidney. But like the last time, let's start saying hello to our body. Tapping शुरू करिए. शरीर के हर हिस्से को जागृत करिए. 2 मिनट रुकिएगा. I want you to smile. You're talking to your body now. We will be getting into it. So tap, 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 tap. मर्मा कलरी का एक बहुत important हिस्सा है. अभी हम आर्म्स पे ही हैं. मर्मा is touch. You can wound and you can heal with that touch. और शरीर के हर हिस्से का ज्ञान होना ज़रूरी है. इसलिए अपने आप को छू छू के हर चीज़ से मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Because of the coronavirus, everybody's been talking about the virus. It affects the respiratory system, it affects the lungs, it affects the kidneys too. So today we will concentrate mostly on the lungs. People who haven't been on this before, they can go to my Facebook page and check how to basically do elementary marma. Today we are on the second step of it. Tap, tap, tap. Smile into your muscles. Smile into your bones. The lung has a meridian. Lung का जो चक्रा होता है वो यहाँ पे होता है. The meridians go from here. Tap your lungs. Smile into it. Tap, 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 tap. Internal. Chinese में yin and yang होता है. The yin is the inside of the body and yang is the outside of the body. Go to the other hand. Activate it. Smile to it. आप किसी से भी किसी को भी मुस्कुरा दें या किसी से मुस्कुरा के बात करें, वो आपको रिस्पॉन्ड बहुत अच्छा करता है. हमारी बॉडी को भी इस तरह की आदत होती है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द लंग. यहाँ पे कॉलर बोन के नीचे यू हैव टू डू टैपिंग लाइक दिस. एक हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं. टैप टैप टैप. स्माइल इनटू इट. द लंग्स do the most cleansing in our body. Whether you smoke, you don't smoke, there is pollution. Knock it out. Let the lungs know that we're cleaning you up today. Gently, 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 gently. You can be hard. I've been doing this for a very long time. I'm trained to hit hard. But over the time, you will also know what your body likes, what it doesn't like. You go ahead. The lungs. The heart chakra. Knock it down. Enjoy it. Smile into it. The visceral system, जहाँ पे हमारा पेट होता है, intestines होती हैं, इसके पिछले हिस्से में kidneys होती हैं. Gently. The body is awakening. The body knows that you're talking to it. Smile to it. आपने जो कभी नहीं भी छुआ है, अगर उसको भी छू रहे हैं, वो भी जागृत होएगा. Now that we've done the lungs, we've made the energy move. अब हम हल्के हल्के किडनी पे आते हैं. किडनी यहाँ पे होती है. हिप्स के बिल्कुल ऊपर के हिस्से में यहाँ होती है किडनी. So today I would like to do kidney breathing. Kidney जिसका weak होता है, keep tapping it. Kidney जिसका weak होता है, उसको depression, nervousness बहुत होती है. Like sometimes somebody will say something nasty to you. आपको लगेगा आपके दिमाग को लगा है, but वो होता kidney को है. Hence the kidney gets weak. The kidneys are here. जब kidney failure होता है, so in simple words, the kidney has crystals in it, and because of सिर्फ बैठ के सिर्फ लेटने से हम लोग we do not crystallize the crystals, and because of that the filters get locked. So to crystallize it, हम लोगों को इसको knock करना पड़ता है. Now we go to the pelvis here. Like I said, it's very important. The last time we were talking about the reproductive organs. यहाँ पे जो हमारी tailbone होती है, उसे sacrum भी कहते हैं. You should knock it. It's a great, it has great sexual energy, and sexual energy just doesn't mean the energy to have sex. It is for fertility in women. It's for a man to be virile. It keeps you very active. Yes, just keep going on, don't stop. Harder if you feel like it, gentle if you feel like it. Very good. So I've been talking to my friends, my cousins, my family. The women have a problem, and the problem is, my beautician can't come, my nail paint girl can't come, I haven't done blah 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 blah. So for all those friends of mine, we'll go on the face, gently tap it. In the meanwhile, the kidney has got activated, the lung has got activated, it is moving energy. Gently, gently. Keep knocking it. So this is to energize the face. The face has about 47 muscles. The muscles are glued from the skull till here. If you activate your muscles, 47 muscles हैं, हम लोग उनको काम नहीं उनका करते. So women, activate it now. On your head. Oof, I love it. Like that. The medulla oblongata. It's one of the pumps in the body. We will talk about it in the next session, how to activate that. Now, what I want you to do is, ये जो आपका point है, जिसे हम temple भी बोलते हैं, because of a lot of chewing, we deactivate this. What I want you to do is heat it up a little bit, like that. And इसको press करिए 3 seconds के लिए जोर की. 1, 2, 3. Smile into it. Very nice. What we do is, हमारे skull के अंदर यहाँ पे जहाँ पे eye socket होता है, this part, I want you to touch it, feel where the bone is, activate it, smile at it. It will energize it. You will not have dark circles, rings. ऊपर के हिस्से में eyebrows को दबाइए. Like I had gone to the Shaolin temple, I've done different martial arts. Like in martial arts होता क्या है कि अगर आप जिम्नास्टिक्स में हैं तो आपको जिम्नास्टिक वाला पार्ट दिया जाएगा. वेपन्स अच्छा चलाते हैं, वेपन्स अच्छा चलाएंगे आप. If you are a good wrestler, they'll put you in that. Keep knocking it. Over here. This is where your skull is. I want you to touch that bone. Say hello to it. Like that, gently. Feel your fingers around it like that. Every part, feel it, feel it. This is where your tooth is. Take your tongue, rotate it around this. You will not have lines. You will not have tiredness there. Reverse. Good one. Jaws. यहाँ पे. This is an important part for women. You have to keep tapping it. The lymphatic nodes start from here, go to the bottom of the body. Lymph nodes, very important to work on. The lymph nodes we can hit over here for a while. ये बहुत important होते हैं. Lymph nodes क्या करते हैं? अगर हमारे शरीर में कोई वायरस आ जाए, so this is the first center where they get to know and they send the first rescue. So ये active होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. अगर आपके lymphatic system अच्छा चल रहा है, the chances of you being unwell is very, very low. All right, now going to the breathing of the kidney. What we have to do is, we know where the kidneys are. They are activated. We keep our hands over here. हर organ की एक आवाज़ होती है. किडनी की भी आवाज़ होती है. जैसे अगर मुझे बुलाना हो तो विद्युत या सिंगू से बुलाते हैं. किडनीज की एक साउंड होती है. हर कल्चर ने इस पे काम किया है. You're warming up your kidneys here. Keep your hands over there. Keep rubbing it. Keep rubbing it. Feel the energy. Warming it up. इनकी जो साउंड है वो है लाइक जैसे कुत्ते को बोलते हैं ना शू. ये शू नहीं है, ये है CHOOOA. छुआ. इनकी दूसरी साउंड के बारे में बात करते हैं. So what we do is we bend our bodies while we inhale. जब आप छुआ कहते हैं, so यहाँ से धक्का मारिए. The breath should first go in and then pushed out. So you follow me. It's inhale. You have to feel the pressure from here. It will come. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. So जब भी हम करते हैं this term, the chua, ये क्या करता है? It expands the kidney. So when you take the breath in, the kidneys expand. जो दूसरा है वो है you inhale. We can try this. ट्रेन की जो आवाज होती है W W U U W U U. It is हर तरीके से ट्राई करिए. डोंट स्टॉप. कीप डूइंग इट. सो द वो क्या करता है? वो हमारी किडनीज को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है. जिस तरह से एक स्पंज को साफ करने के लिए वी हैव टू लाइक squeeze it and then let it go. Squeeze it and then let it go. You have to do both of these 21 times. You will love it, I promise you. And you will see a change in a day or two. Do it every time whenever you want to activate your energy, you want to activate your chakras. मेरे जितने जामवालियंस हैं, मैं पढ़ रहा था because of the last session कि विद्युत सर ये सब तो सही है, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाइए जिसको हमें करने में टाइम लगे. So this is for all the calorified exponents. It's one of my favorite parts, the hip, the pelvis. इसका एक काता भी बोल सकते हैं आप है. So just watch me, keep watching me and get it right on your own. Send it to me and I'll tell you how to do it better. What you do is सबसे पहले सल्यूटेशन हर चीज़ को। ये करेंगे, your pelvis will move very well, your energies will be full powered. Keep doing it and enjoy it. The tip of the day is, क्योंकि हम लोग अभी आगे एक्सरसाइज करते रहेंगे, what I want is, I want you to learn this breathing which controls a lot of things which we do not realize it happens on its own. It is called reverse breathing. जब हम normally inhale करते हैं तो हम सांस लेते हैं, पेट बाहर आता है, एक्सहेल करते हैं, पेट अंदर जाता है, लाइक दिस। रिवर्स ब्रीदिंग में जब आप इनहेल करेंगे आपका पेट अंदर जाना चाहिए। So when I do different things in martial arts, like sometimes I'm using a weapon, a lot of focus is required. I normally operate on reverse breathing. Reverse breathing say, I have experience, I'm always in a very pleasurable mood. Once in a while you should keep doing reverse breathing. Practice it till I meet you again, because we will be using that a lot. And thank you everybody. I love you guys. I will be here soon. I love you, I love you, I love you. God bless you.